Welcome to GunSync. GunSync is a brand new software platform that has just been launched that will connect your FastBound account to GunBroker and allow you to post multiple firearms simultaneously in a very automated fashion. So let's run through this real quick and just kind of show you exactly what we built. First things first, you're going to want to register. So go ahead and type in the company name, go ahead and put in a password, confirm, read the terms and conditions, and then agree to those terms and conditions. When you click on next, you will now need to verify that email. Now that you have created your account, go ahead and log in. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can then fill out the rest of this information, and then you can go to each separate integration page, the FastBound page, and click Link FastBound. What you're going to do here is type in your email address for FastBound, your account number, and your API key. Those can be found within the FastBound account. Next, you'll go to Marketplace and click on Link to a Marketplace and click GunBroker. Here's where you're going to put in your GunBroker email and password, and then link to GunBroker. I'm going to jump over to my other account that I have as a test account to show you the rest from here because I have already connected these accounts. So if I go to my FastBound integration, that has been linked. I can then go to View and FFL Details. Clicking on View brings up all of those details that I have for the FastBound account. And FFL Details brings up my company's, well, fake, but my company information. Under the Marketplace, same idea. You can link up your GunBroker account. If I go to settings, that will show kind of what I've created for the GunBroker integration. And then I have the option to unlink that account if I would like. And then billing would be a separate page that would track all of the fees and such for using this system. We have a great relationship with FortisPay, and we have set up a very low rate that you will get when signing up with them that will allow you to take payments from people who are using GunBroker and purchasing from you through GunBroker at a significantly reduced rate. Actually could save you thousands of dollars a month depending on your volume. Once you have all of those connections made, you'll go over to Firearms here, and I've already linked up or synced all of the firearms that are in my FastBound account. Granted, these are fake firearms, so let's make that clear at first. When those firearms come in, they will be ready to publish pretty much immediately. And let's jump into one of these to kind of go through what I'm talking about. Each of these firearms has specific required fields, some common fields, the fields that are required in order to post to GunBroker, and then lastly, we have a couple of other fields like weight and auto-relist. All of these fields will be filled out automatically based on the information that is coming from your FastBound account. In the event that you do not have information in that spot, let's say that you don't have a weight, which in FastBound there is no weight, so we have a weight for each firearm that you load, and that will load automatically. Additionally, will be some of the categories and titles and descriptions and such. Most of this information will come from FastBound. And then under the common fields, something like images. If you don't have an image, we will allow you to post to GunBroker without an image, but we strongly recommend loading those images into your FastBound account. Once these items are synced up to your account, you can select all of these firearms and click Publish Selected. This will allow you to post all of these firearms to GunBroker simultaneously, and it should take less than probably 5 to 10 minutes to post a few hundred firearms. Unfortunately, there are limitations on the number of firearms that can be posted through the API per minute, so we've definitely maxed that out, but I think we have that set around 100 firearms per minute, I believe. Once your firearms are listed on the GunBroker dashboard, they will then be for sale, and as soon as somebody purchases one of those firearms on GunBroker, you can then accept payment through GunSync and get that firearm prepared to ship. GunSync is designed to save you huge amounts of time. All of us know as firearms dealers that it takes a lot of time to post a firearm to an auction site, a lot of details, images, descriptions, pricing, etc. And we've built a system that allows you to set those generic settings, and then when you bring in a firearm, have those proprietary settings for each firearm relatively automatically, so it's ready to be posted. Guys, try it out, see if you like it. There is no monthly fee for this. It is free to set up, free to use. The only time that there's a charge is if you sell a gun through our system. There is a very, very small fee to that, ranging between 0.5% and 1.5%, very, very low. We understand that as firearms dealers, you guys have fairly low margins, so we're trying to keep the fees as low as possible for us, just to be able to keep the doors open. So guys, give it a try. We love you so much. So happy to be back into the industry and building something that will help all of you firearms dealers increase business and proficiency and grow your business. Have a wonderful day, guys, and thank you very much for checking out GunSync, and especially thank you for using it.